In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can automatically shut down a Windows 11 PC or laptop. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. This is super useful if something is running on your computer and you want to shut it down automatically at a specific time. But essentially what you're going to want to do is select search at the very bottom and go ahead and type in task scheduler and go ahead and hit enter. It's going to take you to a page that looks something like this, and on the right hand side you're going to want to look for the option to create a basic task. Go ahead and select that, and then it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Give it a name. I'm just going to call mine shutdown, but you could really call it whatever you would like. And you could also give it a description if you'd like. But whenever you're done, go ahead and select next. And on this page right here, you're going to choose one time as the trigger. So now you could do this daily, monthly, weekly, whatever it is. I'm going to go ahead and just do mine daily. After you select your time, hit next. And from here, you can go ahead and start the start date and the exact time. Set this to really whatever you'd like. And you can change every single day it reoccurs as well. Whenever you're done though, hit next. And for the action, what you're going to want to do is select start a program and select next. And in the program script box, go ahead and type shut down. Make sure it's all lowercase, and in the add augments optional section, go ahead and select this, and you're going to want to type this little -s, this little -f, and then you're going to want to do this little /t0, just like so, spelled exactly like that. Not dashes, I meant to say slashes in the beginning, so keep that in mind. Then go ahead and hit next again, and then go ahead and hit finish. Now at the scheduled time, your Windows 11 PC will automatically shut down. Now mine's gonna shut down literally immediately, so I'm not gonna go ahead and hit finish, but you gotta make sure that you do hit finish once you're done. But it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.